Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your GetYourGuide app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just go down here. You click on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on appearance here, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on always light here. Then here automatically it's going to change with you here to light mode like you see on your GetYourGuide app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.